Super excited. We've got some of the new MagnaMax in the shop. Talking to a client today that works overseas. He's very interested in a utility blade. The edge retention looks incredible. Got a lot of people asking me what I think about all these knife makers that are claiming to be using MagnaCut, but they're using 440C or AEBL or something even worse. I keep receipts for that very purpose. When I worked as a welding inspector for Exxon, when a contractor came on the job, we asked for material test reports. Come look at this here. So we didn't want a contractor to bring in some inferior pipe or build something that was going to blow up because he bought the pipe from Pakistan. Or you got to have material test reports. So that's where it has to start. Heat treat number, batch numbers, it matches the paperwork. We keep all this paperwork. It's super important to us that we give our client the authentic product. Let's walk over here real quick. Part of that is testing. Part of that is Rockwell hardness testing, guys. If you're not testing this stuff, I really don't know how you can guarantee the authenticity, because mistakes happen. Sometimes mistakes happen. Sometimes they accidentally send you the wrong bar. Now, the New Jersey Steel Baron, where we order our steel, that's never happened. But it has happened with other steel suppliers in the past. And if you're not running a real specific tempering, austenitizing formula that's repeatable, and then hardness testing, let's back up, then I don't know how you can guarantee the authenticity of the steel. And now this is not a knock at anybody. If you know how to do that, if you're a maker and you have another way, sign off in the comments. If you're a maker and you've got an opinion about these material test reports and the authenticity and tell us how you do it. Tell me how you keep it. This is some of the steel that we've got laid out for our summer project. So, MagnaMax, we're super excited about this. We're going to run some test coupons, heat treat them, see if it's all they say it is, and then we'll put it into production. We've got CPM 3V. Now, this steel right here came from our lock box. This is all USA made. This is before they went out of business. Another thing for you guys that are not knife makers, most of these steel mills use some type of color scheme. They use a color scheme, a color way to identify these bars. And you can see here what the New Jersey Steel Baron's doing to identify MagnaCut. I've got to be careful now with MagnaMax, MagnaCut. I don't want to have a slip of the tongue. Okay, guys, this is the current lineup right here. Let's talk a little more about the bailout back orders. We've almost got them all done. We shipped 17 last week. So we've gone from a back order of about 535 pieces down to less than 15. And most of these last 15 are colored, so they're orange or so if you're waiting on one, it's coming. We've got great weather. We've done a lot of maintenance on the shop. We've added a new grinding room in the back. We've done a lot of things that really impacted our productivity. It's slowed us down, but it's going to greatly increase our productivity in the long run, and how, let me say this, how efficiently we can work. You can cut that and we'll